This is Looking Forward for Astronomy 100 for Wednesday, the 30th of September, 2015. As you get ready for class on Wednesday, I'd like you to read Units 19, 47.1 and 47.2, and 48.1. And I'd like you to think about the following question. Remember gravity, right? It's the name of the force between two objects that have mass. Here's a mass m2. And let's consider on this left-hand object three places. One on the left here, I'll call that A. One in the middle, I'll call that B. One on the right, I'll call that C. And these objects here are, let's say, 1 kilogram masses for the sake of argument. Will there be a gravitational force from M2 on C? Well, yeah, there will be, and it'll pull it to the right. Will there be a force on B? Yes, it'll pull it to the right. Will there be a force on A? Yes, and it'll pull it to the right. My question isn't whether there will be forces, but how do these compare? Are the forces on A and B and C the same? Are they different? If they're the same, why? If they're different, which one's bigger and why? The second question is, what will the answer to this have as an effect? What will happen as we pull on A, B, and C? And then finally, a third question, does the material matter? In other words, if the material at A is different from the material at B, or the material at B is different than the material at C, does that matter, at least as far as the force, the gravitational force is concerned? We'll talk about those things and more when we get together on Wednesday. See you then.